Hi, today we're going to be doing an exponential function. We're going to be solving equation that involve exponential function, and got this question from Matric 2015, and it was question um number 4. So uh it says f of x is equals to 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 8. And then the first question says, write down the equation of asymptote. So we're looking for asymptote. So we know that our asymptote is equals to y is equals to -8. This is our asymptote, right? And question number 2 says, sketch the graph of f, clearly indicate all the intercept with the axis as well as the asymptote. We already gotten the asymptote. What is left for us is to do the intercept. Okay, how do we find x intercept? We let y to be equals to 0. Then we solve for the value of x, right? Okay, this is 8 to the power of 3, because it's 8, right? Then we're going to have 3 is equals to x plus 1. This gives us x is equals to 3 minus 1. It is 2, right? We found the x intercept. Now we need to find y intercept. Our y intercept, we let x to be 0. Then we're going to have 0 plus 1, -8. So we're having 2 to the power of 1, -8. This is -6. So we have our intercept, right? We're having our intercept. We're having our asymptote. Let's try and sketch the graph. Okay, this is our Cartesian plane. This is our Cartesian plane. We have x-axis and we have y-axis. And then our asymptote is -8. -8 is going to be somewhere here. And remember, our asymptote is represented with the dotted lines. Is a line that the graph will never touch, right? Okay, there is another important thing that you have to keep in mind, is that this equation is positive here, right? That means our equation is going to be above the asymptote, right? Our equation is going to be above the asymptote. If our equation was negative, then our equation was going to be below the asymptote, right? It was going to be below the asymptote. So what we're supposed to do now is to sketch our intercept. Our y, this is y equals to -8 is our asymptote. Then we also having our y-intercept around here, where it's -6, and we also having our y-intercept around somewhere here, where it cuts the graph at 2, right? So we have -6 and 2, and our graph is increasing. So this is how our graph is going to look like. Okay, so we managed to draw our graph. Then what is it left? The graph of G is obtained by reflecting the graph of F in the y-axis. Write down the equation. If you reflect the equation in the y-axis, right? So you just do the reflection of the equation in the y-axis. How is our equation going to look like? So you just reflect the equation. Let me show you. Let me just show you the rough sketch of the reflection. Let's say you have an equation like this. It reflected on the y-axis, which means the intercept remain the same, but then you have a reflection. The y-intercept remain the same, but then you have a reflection here. Here is going to be -2. So they want us to find this equation. Our equation is going to be 2 to the power of -x plus 1 -8. Okay, we're done with the question for exponent.